Hey guys, it's Emma.
It's me, Eldine.
And Sarah.
And today we're gonna be opening Kinder eggs again.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just get opening.
Okay, let's put the chocolate on the side because I don't really want it.
Oh, she will. Pop right open. This I see from here. Got a bee. Oh, I got a zebra.
I got
Oh,
Tom.
yes! Something fun. I didn't get a minion.
I got
What is
a
this?
Tom, but I didn't get
This is.
a teddy.
This is. Hey, how about you and Eldine switch? Yeah, you guys can switch.
I like my bee.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, let me see your card. Let's see your card. And then this said the last time is mine, the tiger. So that it was a zebra. Okay, other ones?
Not this one right
I have
here.
this one. And then this is just how you make it. Pretty simple. Yeah. She was so anxious, she didn't even take off this wrap. Okay. Let's put that again.
It's right here. My God.
Bye guys! We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe and go to our other channel, A Sharp.